Every student obviously has to take the major professional responsibility course, the core course. It's a required course in the curriculum, and the focus is on what I would call the 4 C's, which would include competence, confidentiality, conflict of interest, and complicity. That is, the idea that lawyers have to be competent in developing a sense of what that means, the idea that lawyers have to keep their clients' confidences, the idea that lawyers need to avoid conflicts of interest in terms of the representation of multiple clients and in other areas, and then the idea that you can't assist your client to commit wrongdoing. Those, in my view, are the core areas of professional responsibility, certainly the way I teach it, and I think the way my colleagues would focus on it as well. This is information that they will use every day. Unlike almost all of their other courses, this is the kind of thing, I mean, every day you have issues of confidentiality, for example. What can I tell to other people? What can't I tell? How do I go about protecting the attorney-client privilege and my client's confidences? Every day there's going to be issues about conflicts of interest. Can I take on this new client? Am I restricted from taking on certain kinds of cases? So these are things that you need to think about all the time. Competence, of course, being the basic obligation of, how do I best serve my my client? And I think sometimes lawyers forget that these are things that they really need to focus on. Everything from the mundane of avoiding malpractice to the just how do I be a good person and a good lawyer at the same time. So